Teams are already there in the low bar now, and teams are trying to climb. Okay, there is Team Lebanon, Team Iceland. Okay, they did it. Yes, 10 seconds left, and 2 teams climbed. Wow, that's amazing and exciting, Team Lebanon and Iceland. Everyone else is trying. Woo, over. Controllers down and your hands up. Yes, congratulations, teams.
Technogeex!
Team Lebanon, they have their indicator as well. Team Lebanon coming across. Team Lebanon very strong at all competition, been able to climb, been able to compress carbon, and looking to go with this. They got a great little doorway that opens up and floods the compactor with carbon. That's some ingenious design there.
يلا واو برافو
Leaders and learners have as they come on and see us. So from Lebanon, Technogeex performed in many different projects, and they assist the RoboGeeks Academy in organizing boot camps and different events back in Lebanon.
And here it comes. Oh, I got you. Let's keep going. We're so close to that bonus. We're so close. 30 seconds. 30 seconds left, but teams, we can still do it. We can still earn that cooperation bonus. Team Mexico, they have got their hooks deployed. They are climbing up, spinning as they go all the way to the top. Their partners from Lebanon latched onto the middle rung. This is going to be a very high scoring match if they can get up there.